Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our lecture is arrangement of skeletal muscle, topic 18, chapter 16, sport and movement. In this chapter we will discuss the structure of skeletal muscle in detail, how they are arranged around the bones and what is their morphological appearance or morphological structure. So let's get started. Skeletal muscle, let's say bicep muscle, has three main parts, that is origin, belly and insertion. Origin is that part of muscle which is attached to the immovable bone or immovable part of the bone. Other end is known as insertion, that is attached to the movable part of the bone and it gives movement to the other bone. The middle one, that is broad region or swollen portion, is known as belly. Origin, belly and insertion. Origin is that part of muscle which is attached to immovable bone. Insertion is that part of muscle that is attached to the movable bone. The middle portion, the broader one, is known as belly region. So every muscle, almost every muscle, has three main parts, morphological. Now we will discuss the connective tissue that is associated with skeletal muscle. Connective tissues associated with the skeletal muscle, that is ligament and tendons. Ligaments are those tissues, those connective tissues which attach बोन टू अदर बोन. एक बोन को दूसरी बोन के साथ कनेक्ट करने में जो कनेक्टिव टिश्यू रोल प्ले करता है, दैट इज लिगामेंट. टेंडन इज आल्सो एग्जांपल ऑफ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू एसोसिएटेड विद द स्केलेटल मसल. इट्स रोल इज टू कनेक्ट वन बोन टू द मसल. मसल को बोन के साथ जो कनेक्ट करता है, दैट टिश्यू इज नोन एज टेंडन. So in skeletal muscle, let's say bicep or tricep muscle, we will always find tendon which helps in the attachment of muscle to the bone. There are around 650 muscles. 650 muscles in our body, and these muscles are all most of them are antagonistic muscles. Most of them are antagonistic muscles. Mean these muscles work against each other. Work against each other. Work against each other, and these muscles are always present in paired form. ये मसल हमेशा किस में प्रेजेंट होंगे? पेयर्ड फॉर्म. पेयर्ड से क्या मुराद है कि ये वाले जो मसल हैं ये एक ही बोन के गिर्द अरेंज हुए होंगे, बट ऑन ऑपोजिट साइड, लाइक योर बाइसेप एंड योर ट्राइसेप मसल्स. So this is about the skeletal muscle. We discussed its general morphology, the connective tissue associated with the skeletal muscle, and total number of muscles, and then antagonistic muscles, the muscles that work against each other and present in the paired form, mean associated with the single bone. एक ही bone के साथ दो muscles attached हों but opposite side पे, तो that muscle is known as paired muscles. Now we will discuss in detail The structure of a bicep muscle. Bicep muscle is consist of 3 types of muscles. Further consist of 3 different muscles. One is known as brachii, other one is known as brachialis, and third one is known as brachioradialis. Brachii have a region at the scapula or upper part of humerus and ended in the middle portion of ulna. जो ब्रैकाई है वो स्कैपुला से और ह्यूमरस के अपर पार्ट से क्या होता है, ओरिजिनेट. इट हैज ओरिजिन ओवर here and ending into the middle of ulna. Upper bone is ulna and lower bone is radius, ended in the middle of ulna. This green portion of muscle represent tendons. We already discussed tendons. These are the connective tissues, and on the other end there is also green color I drawn in the form in green color. This is also tendons. So these muscles, that is upper one and make the major portion of bicep muscle is brachii. Other 2 muscles that is originated from lower side of the brachii is brachialis and brachioradialis. Brachialis originated from the lower side of brachii. It originated from the humerus and ended into the middle portion of ulna. But difference क्या है, brachii ऊपर होते हैं, brachialis नीचे होते हैं, and this is smaller one also. The other portion that is also originated from lower side of the brachii or brachialis is brachioradialis. This is also originated from the humerus but lower side and ended into the radius. Brachialis ended into the ulna and brachioradialis ended into the radius. So this is the structure of bicep muscle. Bicep muscle further divided into 3 types: brachii, brachialis, brachioradialis. Originated from the scapula or upper part of humerus and ended into the ulna, brachii. Originated at the lower side of the humerus or brachii and ended into the middle portion of ulna, brachialis. Originated from the humerus and ended into the radius, brachioradialis. इसमें डिफरेंस बहुत दफ़ा पूछा जाता है इन बोर्ड एग्जाम्स. डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन ब्रेकियालस एंड ब्रैकियोरेडियालस. सो now we will discuss little bit about the antagonistic function of bicep or tricep muscle. The upper muscle which is present in front of your arm is bicep muscle. The other muscle which is attached on the opposite side or lower side of your arm is tricep muscle. Tricep muscle is present on lower side and bicep muscle is present on upper side. If bicep muscle contract, then we will pull our arm upper side and in result tricep muscle relax. If we straighten our arm, bicep muscle will relax and contrary or on the other side the tricep muscle will contract. So this is the brief concept of antagonism, which is the working against each other. So this is all about your arrangement of skeletal muscles. We discuss their different parts with the help of a bicep muscle, that is origin, belly and insertion. Then we discussed connective tissue associated with skeletal muscles, that is ligaments and tendons. आपके जो फिंगर्स के दरमियान में जो टिश्यूज़ हैं इस लिगामेंट्स, और आपके जो मस्कुलर पार्ट है, बल्कि पार्ट, और उन मसल्स को बोन के साथ अटैच करने में जो कनेक्टिव टिश्यू हेल्प कर रहे हैं, दैट इज टेंडन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे फिंगर्स में जो मसल्स हैं, लिगामेंट्स जो दूसरी मसल्स के साथ अटैच है, बाइसेप और ट्राइसेप्स के साथ, दैट इज टेंडन्स. There are around 650 muscles in your body, different types of muscle, and most of them are antagonistic. Antagonistic की definition आपने याद करनी है. Then we discuss the detailed structure of bicep muscle, brachii, brachialis, brachioradialis, इनमें difference और उनके origin and their insertion point. So this is all about your today's lecture. You have to draw the diagrams of skeletal muscles and their differences between the different terminologies. This is all about your today's lecture.